Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and made knitting variety. Different designing, mind-blowing ideas. Beautiful pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection, beautiful fall ideas. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Some are simple and some are beautiful button up style. If you are student and if you are jobful, so this is very useful for you in winter season. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.